Everybody, today is Wednesday, September 9th. It's 2:07 p.m. in the markets today. Before I go any further, first the required disclaimer. Okay, I want to bring over the time in sales and show you what time it is. It's 2:08. E-mini S&P continuing to drop. It's trading at 1956.50.75. It's an excellent day for the BWT Precision Auto Trader, so we're bringing you this update midday. As you can see, the E-mini S&P 15-minute chart is trading three contracts, and it went short on this pullback here at 1972.25. The market trading at 57. That's approximately 15 points or 60 ticks in the E-mini S&P right now. So you can see down here the unrealized P&L is 1425 and the open P&L 487.50. So quite a good day for the auto trader. Most of our charts are green today. Okay, the Super Renko 8 tick, it says realized P&L 362, but this chart is trading around the clock. So the actual P&L right now is about 900. I want to bring over the control center. So here is our Super Renko 8 tick with a realized P&L of 900 because it's trading through the night session. You can see our other systems here, really solid returns on most of our charts and just a few losers today, really small in the losing department. So I'm going to come back to this at the end of the video. All right, our Super Renko 8 tick. Next up is the crude oil on the Precision Renko 5 tick, and this hit its goal within an hour of trading. It has a profit goal of $1,500 and a loss limit. And in my previous videos, once again, I'll state that this is really important in your trading. You got to have goals. And so this was achieved in 3 trades. It was 3 winners and 0 losers. Really great performance, excellent entry. The trades didn't take hardly any heat on the trade. Really good entry efficiency. Okay, this is a new chart. The Russell trading 2 contracts on the Uni Renko, and this also hit its goal of 1500. As we can see here, it has a goal of 1500 and a loss limit. Chart hit its goal, 2 contracts. Okay, the 7500 tick line break, which I showed yesterday, is buying on a limit order. Here is your line break to go short, and it pulled back to 73.50. I think the pullback is 78 ticks. I'm sorry, 28 ticks. And so this is up about $1,250 on 3 contracts. If it closes above this green line, we would get a reversal, but it would have to pull back on the long side in order to go long. Okay, the 30-year Treasury note did really well today. This is the 30-year Treasury bond on the BWT Super Renko 5 tick, and this had a short and a long, and it hit its goal, and obviously it could have made much more, but it hit its goal today. It has a goal of 2,000 and a loss limit of 1,200, so this one doing quite well. Okay, we have the 30-year Treasury bond on the Super Renko 7 tick, and a fantastic entry here. Really only took 1 tick of heat on the trade on this fantastic long, and it too hit its goal. So quite a good entry here and exit, all things considered. There's only 50 minutes left in the bond session. Okay, the Super Renko on the Super Renko 7 tick on the crude oil contract is currently long. This is actually yesterday. So it had a mixed bag today, but has a closed P&L of 610 and it's currently long. So we'll see if this rallies into the close in the next 15 minutes and gives us a strong finish on this chart. Okay, I just want to bring over the control center. So to recap, we have the Superenco 5 tick on the 30-year Treasury note, hit its goal and closed out at 1968. The crude oil on the Precision Renko hit its goal of 1500. The Russell on the Uni Renko hit its goal of 1500. The E-mini S&P on the Super Renko 10 tick with a closed P&L of 1387. The E-mini S&P on the 7500 tick line break has a P&L of 1175 as this one is trading overnight. And the E-mini S&P on the 15-minute chart has a closed P&L of 487.50 and an open P&L of 1350 or 75. The 30-year Treasury note on the Superenco 7 tick hit its goal of 2050. That's on 2 contracts. The Superenco 8 tick with a closed P&L of 900 and an open P&L of a little something there. The crude oil on the Uni Renko just got into a position. It's got a small loss for the day, so we'll see how that turns out. And then a next to nothing gain here in the Superenco 5 tick, and a couple of losers here, but very, very small. So this is pretty good for the number of systems that traded today. Pretty solid performance on the BWT Precision Auto Trader. So I'll come back and leave you with actually today's big winner so far, which is the 30-year Treasury note on the Superenco 7 tick. A single long trade hit its goal at 2050. If you'd like to find out more about the BWT Precision Auto Trader, please visit our website at bluewavetrading.com. Shoot us an email at systems@bluewavetrading.com or give us a call at the number on the website. Thanks for watching today.